Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amardeep Mishra and I am your aptitude trainer. So this is the video is in continuation of divisibility rule, and in this video we are going to talk about the divisibility rule by 4 and by 6. Okay. So first let's talk about the divisibility rule by 4. Okay. So you have to find out whether a given number is divisible by 4 or not. So for that, you have no need to divide the entire number from the beginning. You have just got to divide the last two digits of the number. Okay, just divide the last two digits of the number. So let's say we have a number 213000712. So if somebody asks you whether this number is divisible by 4 or not, so you don't have to start dividing this number from the beginning. Instead, you divide only the last two digits. Okay. So we can see here that this 12 is divisible by 4. Hence, the entire number is also divisible by 4. Okay. Right. Similarly, if you have to find out whether what will be the remainder if you divide a number by 4. Okay. Suppose somebody asks you 213,457. Find out the remainder if you divide this number by 4. If you divide this number by 4. So instead of dividing this number from the very first number, what you can do is you can divide only the last two digits, 5, 7. Okay. So take 57, divide by 4. So it will be 14 times 56 and the remainder is 1. So if you divide the entire number by 4, still you will be getting the same remainder 1. Okay. I hope this point is clear. So whether you have to find out if a given number is divisible by 4, or you have to find out the remainder if you divide a number by 4, in both the cases, you don't have to divide the entire number. Instead, just divide the last two digits. Okay. So here in this number, you divided only this 12 and you saw that the 12 is divisible by 4. Hence, this entire number is also divisible by 4. Similarly, here if you see in this number 57, okay, I'm asking you to find out the remainder if you divide this number. So instead of dividing this entire number, you just divide only this 57 by 4. So 57 by 4, remainder is 1. Okay, the same remainder will be if you divide this entire number by 4. I hope this point is clear. Okay, now let's move towards the question. This is the question. If a number 3146x is divisible by 4, then find the sum of all the possible values of x. So first of all, I would recommend you guys to please pause the video for a moment and try to solve the question on your own. Okay. Okay, so now let's look at the solution. The number is 3146x. It is divisible by 4. It is divisible by 4 means what? Means the last two digits are divisible by 4. Simple. So this 6x is divisible by 4. Now, what could be the possible values of x? The first value of x could be 0. The second value of x could be 4. And the third value of x could be 8. These three are the possible values of x. Okay, 0, 4, and 8. Now, if x equals to 0, then this number will become 31460. If x equals to 4, it will be 31464. And if x equals to 8, it will be 31468. Okay. Now, they are not asking the values of x. Here, they are asking you to find the sum of all the possible values of x. You have to find out the values of x first, then you have to find out their sum. So all the possible values of x are 0, 4, and 8, which we have found already. Now their sum would be 0 plus 4 plus 8. Okay, so this would come out to be 12. This is your answer for this question. So these sort of questions you can come across during your aptitude rounds. Okay, so please be aware of such questions. I hope this is clear to you. Now we will move towards the divisibility rule by 6. So guys, for divisibility by 6, we don't have any separate rule. Okay, we know that 6 equals to 2 into 3. Okay, so if you have to find out whether a given number is divisible by 6 or not, you have to find out whether that number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Okay, so instead of finding out the divisibility by 6, what you can do is you can divide the number by 2 and by 3. And the number should be divisible by 2 and 3. Then only the number will be divisible by 6. Okay, for example, I take a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1,23,456. I have to find out whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. Okay, so what I have to do, 6 is 2 and 3. So first, let's check the divisibility of this number by 2. Okay, divisibility by 2 means the number should be an even number. So at the end, you have 6 here. That means it's an even number. So this number is divisible by 2. Okay, tick. Now the second one is 3. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So to find out the divisibility by 3, we have to find out the digit sum. Okay, so digit sum will be 1 plus 2, this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. The sum of all these digits. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15, and plus 6, 21. Now, is this digit sum divisible by 3? Yes. So hence, this entire number is also divisible by 3. So I can say, because this number is divisible by both 2 and 3, so hence, this number will also be divisible by 6. Okay. So this is how we check the divisibility by 6. I hope the divisibility rules by 4 and 6 are clear to you. If you like this video, then please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such useful videos. And thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to share this video with your friends and with the students, with your juniors who are preparing for the aptitude rounds. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.